Hi, today I thought I'd show you where the reverse light switch is on the VX220. This is the passenger side rear. Wheel has been taken off. The only difference is the coil spring suspension has been taken off because the shock absorber's gone to get refurbished. So as a result, the suspension has dropped, so your suspension will be a bit higher. The wheel arch liners are still in place, as you can see. So where is the reverse light switch? Let's focus in here. So you can see the drive shaft coming in, and just above that is the reverse light switch. Can I focus on there? I can expand it a little bit. There you can see, and that's a 19mm spanner that's required to undo that. So I've come in a little bit closer to show you how to remove the clip. So you can see there is a clip. The clip is on just behind it. If I can get my screwdriver into that, it's not sure, but that has to be pulled out, as you can see, and then you can remove the socket from there, and then you can start undoing it. So let's have a go of that. So I've put my 19mm spanner on there. It's open end, because if I put the ring end on, I'm not getting a decent fit where I've got to undo it quite easily. Came off quite nicely, and then obviously we start turning that. Back of the car's jacked up. I can't see any oil leaking out of there, which is good. Don't know if anything does come out there, but I presume probably will. So that's got that out, and this is what the switch looks like. So basically what happens when you select reverse, that goes in, and that should switch it on. So we're going to now test this. So the first thing I want to test is does the actual circuit work? So what I've done at the socket end, I have bridged it. I've used a bit of welding wire from my MIG welder, and then I put the ignition on, put it in reverse gear, and see does the reverse light come on. And as you can see, yes it does. So at least I know the circuit's working if the switch actually works. So now we'll check the switch. So now what I've done is I've plugged the switch back in, and all I need to do is push this in. So that's how the reverse light is engaged when a shaft pushes that in. Has some oil in there come out. Anyway, push that in, and then I'll have a look. Does the reverse light come on? And no, it doesn't. Can't see it coming on at all. So that's how I know it's a switch. Okay, so what I've done is the same switch. I sprayed some electrical contact cleaner. Where is it? I sprayed some electrical contact cleaner into the top of this, and then I just cycled the switch and sprayed a bit more and just kept cycling the switch. But now guess what? It works. So I'm not going to change the switch. I don't know if that's a long-term solution, but it's certainly a short-term one. My switch works, so I'm going to run that back in the car and see how long that lasts for. So there you go. Hope that was useful to all of you. If you've got a problem with your reverse light switch, you can very easily take it out, put some electrical contact cleaner in, cycle it, and see if that changes it. If it doesn't, buy a new switch. Hope that helps.